Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to switch your account from business to personal on Instagram. So if you want to switch your account, what you have to do is first of all you have to open up your Instagram application, and after opening your Instagram application just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and after tapping on your profile icon now tap on the three-bar icon which is on the top right corner of your screen, and then tap on settings and privacy, and now you have to tap on creator tools and controls, and after tapping on that, in bottom here you can find switch account type. You just have to tap on that option, and now you can switch your account from business to personal. So just tap on switch to personal account, and then again tap on switch to personal account, and after tapping on that you can see you have successfully switched your Instagram account from business to personal. So this is how you can switch your account from business to personal on Instagram. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.